Good evening, everyone. I am Khushbu Sinha from BSc IT third year, and today I am representing my presentation. And the topic is customizing the display. Firstly, we need to know what is customizing the display. You may want to change the way data is displayed. For example, if you want to see any columns of any data in descriptive manner, at this time we need to use customizing the display. Here is our table and which name is human resources department. There are mainly four column: department ID, name, group name, and modified date. There are mainly three ways to customize the display, and the first way is select and is equal to between the new name and the old name, I change the department number, department ID into department number and name into department name. Then this is the output of the first way to customize the display. And the second way is a space between the old name and the new name of the column. So here is the output. And the third way is as between the old name and the new name of the column. So now I am going to show you in practical way. Firstly, I will show you the table of a column. Here is the table human resources department and department ID, name, group name, and modified date is column. Then I will change department ID into department number and name into department name. So I can use the first way. Select a new column name. And old column name, comma, department name, from the table name human resources department. Then here is the output of the first way to customize the display. And the second way is select old name and a space and new name. And a comma and the old name and new name. From human resources department. So here is the second way of output of customizing the display, and the third way is as between the old name and the new name. This is the output of the third way, but no changing in the original table. I will show you. Select a star from table name human resources department. So here no changing in original table. So it will change only in a temporary manner, not permanent. And thank you.